In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add content to a Microsoft Sway. Microsoft Sway is designed to help you create visually engaging presentations with ease, and understanding how to add content properly is the key to building a well-structured and effective project. In this guide, you'll learn how to insert different types of content and organize them in a way that enhances your overall presentation. When you create a new Sway, you'll notice that a content card is already provided. This first card is typically used for your title. Click inside the card and enter the title you want to display. This sets the tone for your entire presentation and helps your audience understand the topic right away. Once your title is in place, click back on the card and look for the green plus icon. This icon allows you to add more content to your Sway. When you select it, you'll see suggested content options that you can insert into your project. These suggestions are designed to help you quickly build your presentation with relevant elements. If you prefer more control, you can choose specific types of content such as text, images, audio, or video. Selecting one of these options lets you tailor your Sway to match your needs, whether you're adding detailed explanations or visual elements. When adding media, you have the option to upload files from your device or access content stored in your cloud storage. You may also notice that Sway automatically provides suggested images and videos based on the content you've already added. These suggestions often come from sources that offer media safe for use, which is especially helpful when creating educational or professional presentations. You can also search for specific content by entering keywords into the search box. Once you find the images or media you want, select them and add them to your Sway. If you insert multiple images, you can organize them by grouping them together. Selecting a group allows you to choose how the images are displayed, such as in a stack, grid, or slideshow format. After organizing your content, you can adjust how large each element appears to better fit your layout. You also have the option to add captions to images, providing additional context for your viewers. To see how everything looks, use the play option to preview your Sway. This helps you understand how your audience will experience the presentation. Keep in mind that there are limits on the type and size of content you can add, which may affect how you structure your project. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.